Hello guys, and welcome to another quick tutorial video. In this short tutorial video, I'll be showing you how to buy the One Soul coin. It's pretty easy to get this token. Open up your browser and head on to coinmarketcap.com. The link would be in the description of the video. Now, once you're on the coinmarketcap.com webpage, simply scroll down till you get to the market section. Now, at the market section, you can simply have a look at the exchanges that are hosting the One Soul. We have Bybit, we have Radium, and we have Jupiter. Most of these are decentralized exchanges and centralized exchanges. So take a look at the trading pairs. For the Radium decentralized exchange, it's the One Soul against the Solana. On Bybit, it's One Soul against the USDT. With this information in mind, I'll be showing you how to get your One Soul on Bybit and Radium. So minimize and open up your Bybit. And with Bybit opened up, make sure you have an account. And if you do not have an account, use our link to sign up and stand a chance to claim 5,030 USDT worth of welcome bonuses. Now, once you've verified your account on Bybit, it's pretty easy to get the One Soul. All you need to do is head to the assets menu at the bottom right corner of the screen. Once there, click on the deposit icon that's shown and click on deposit crypto. But if you have some money on your card and you're looking to buy directly from your MasterCard, you could click on buy with your local currency. So if you click on deposit crypto, you're met with the several options for depositing crypto. If you click on fiat, you could deposit any fiat of your choice. Let's say you've got some fiat on your bank card. All you need to do is simply add your banking information and you could easily deposit the crypto here using any of these means. So guys, once you've been able to deposit either crypto or fiat currency, head to the market section at the bottom of the screen where we have the spot wallet. Select the spot wallet at the top of the screen. The search icon, use the search icon and type in One Soul. Once you search for One Soul, simply click on One Soul USDT. Click on One Soul USDT, set your trading type to market. So move it from limit to market. Enter the amount of USDT you wish to use and simply click on the buy One Soul option. By doing this, you get to buy One Soul. And if you head to assets menu, reload and click on spot, you'd find your One Soul here. Now, another option of getting yourself some One Soul is open up a wallet of your choice, be it Trust Wallet or MetaMask. They both work the same way. Open up Trust Wallet, and with the Trust Wallet opened up, make sure you have some Solana on this wallet. Now, the Solana I'm talking about is the mainnet Solana. So click on this Soul, click on the buy option that's shown. Once you've clicked on buy, enter the amount of Solana you wish to buy. That is if you do not have Solana. And if you have Solana on your wallet, your next step is to head over to the browser section at the bottom right. Once at the browser section, simply search for radium.io. So once radium.io has opened up, the next step you are going to take is simply click on the launch app option. You'd be prompted to connect your wallet to the radium.io platform. So simply click on the connect option. Once you've connected your wallet, you're going to be getting the contract address for this token from your browser. So minimize and open up your browser, head over to the CoinMarketCap page, and where we have the contract address, click down and select the Solana address, copy this Solana address, minimize, open up Trust Wallet, where we have the 4K3DJYJ, paste the address we have here. So after pasting the address, you could easily type in One Soul and the One Soul token would pop out. So click on the One Soul as the token we wish to trade, and it's going to be searching for a pool. That's radium.io. Enter the amount of Solana you wish to convert or swap into the One Soul. So once you've entered the amount you wish to swap, all you need to do now is simply click on the swap option that is shown. And once you've clicked on the swap option, and then you're showing a confirm transaction page. So click on sign, enter your passcode, and the transaction enters confirming, and the transaction has been confirmed. So guys, we've successfully converted our Solana into the One Soul, and you can find this One Soul on your Trust wallet when you simply head to the home section, click on the tab at the top right corner of the screen. That's the crypto tab. Click on the plus icon where we have the network. Set the network to Solana. Paste the wallet address we just copied. Click on import. Once you're done importing, you find the 31 Soul on your wallet. So guys, do comment down below if you have a question and you'll be given an answer. Thank you.